Guys, welcome back to AppIQ. Andrew here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add or remove lock screen type to your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to tap on settings there, and you want to scroll all the way down to where you find lock screen. Tap on that. From here you will find lock screen type at the top. You want to tap on that. You want to enter a password if you already have a password set up, and you'll be able to access this. Now, as you can see, there are many options. You have the PIN, password, pattern swipe, and you can also put it on none to remove all of them. You also have biometric section as well, which is the face and fingerprint. So you can choose to enable whichever one you want. So you want to go ahead and choose whichever one you want, and you want to go ahead and set it. If for some reason you want to remove all of them that you have, you just need to go ahead and tap on done, and that will remove the lock screen. So whichever one is set as the lock screen type, this is the one you'll have set. So I'm going to set, for example, a pin, and as you can see now, I have reset the pin and it is now shown that it's on, right? And you can set this as show content. You can also set it for hide content and so forth. Always on display and show content when unlocked. So you can have a bunch of options here to manage the lock screen notification section as well. So this is all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.